Troublesome spring hay fever tips to prevent pollen allergies. The symptoms of pollen allergies are a runny nose or frequent sneezing, red or itchy eyes, fits of coughing and phlegm production, and flu-like symptoms such as feverishness and fatigue. There are a variety of symptoms. To prevent these symptoms, be sure to use a damp cloth or mop when cleaning your home. Drink plenty of water to help flush out mucus and allergens. Wash your hands and feet thoroughly, and gargle with salt water. Maintain indoor humidity at around 50%, among other measures.